Stupid monkey.
Hey guys, so many good videos on YouTube on how to make monkey bread. So I just got back from the store, got a few things, and decided I'd give it a shot, see what I can do. So I added a cup of brown sugar and some cinnamon in a Ziploc bag, and some of this Irish cream unsalted butter, Pillsbury biscuits, not the flaky ones, this is the regular home-style ones, quartered them, and then melted that butter, stuck them in the butter, threw them in the Ziploc bag, kind of moving them around. Then I also buttered this loaf pan, and then just put them in the loaf pan. Had some extras left over. Turned out pretty good. I used 1 cup of brown sugar, and I should have used a little bit more, and definitely less of that butter. You gotta be careful when you're microwaving butter, because that thing exploded in my microwave. And then I just set the little toaster oven on 350, and a lot of the videos say to run it for about a half an hour. Way too long. Way too long for these. Even though I set it pretty high, and try to be Mr. Scientific here. Set it for 30 minutes. Yeah, you don't need to put them in there that long. About 18 minutes, these puppies were done. And what I should have done is take those little quartered biscuits there in the front that I didn't dip. I should have dipped those in butter and then baked them. It would have been so much better. They still turn out good, little mini biscuits. Those are good too. I got some more. I think I'm going to do this for my neighbor. He took good care of me. But check this out. Words cannot describe how good this smells, looks, and tastes. Oh my goodness.
Mm. Mm-hmm. That's all right. Mm.